In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly upload an image in Notion, making your notes and documents stand out with visuals. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Notion workspace. This is the area where you keep all your notes and projects organized, all in one convenient spot. If you haven't already, open your web browser or the Notion app and navigate to your workspace. It's helpful to have a specific page or section in mind where you'd like to place your image, maybe a project you're working on, or a note that just needs a little extra flair. Now that you're in your workspace, let's move on to the magic command that Notion provides. All you need to do is type the word / followed by image. This is a neat shortcut in Notion that makes adding elements super intuitive. By typing this command, you're effectively telling Notion that you're ready to insert an image into your workspace. This feature is a time saver because you don't have to fumble through menus trying to find the right option. Once you've typed / and image, you'll see an option pop up that simply says Image. Go ahead and click on that option. This is where Notion's user-friendly interface really shines. The process is seamless, making it easy for you to enhance your pages with images without jumping through hoops. After clicking on Image, you'll notice a small menu that gives you a choice to upload a file. Click on Upload File. This action lets you select an image from your own device to add to your Notion page. Next, browse through your files to choose the perfect image. Your image can be anything from a motivational quote, a visual from a recent project, a mind map, or even a relaxing photograph. Just navigate through your folders, click on the image to select it, and then hit Open. If you are uncertain about which image fits best, just remember that you can always replace it later by repeating these steps. And just like that, with a few simple clicks, the image will appear right on your page. It's integrated smoothly with text, making your document more dynamic and visually engaging. Adding images not only makes your notes more attractive, but also can significantly enhance the way you present your ideas, offering a balanced mix of visuals and written content. And that's it. It's amazing how quickly and easily you can add images to your Notion workspace. This straightforward approach helps you keep your documentation visually appealing and well-organized. Continue exploring various ways to use images across your projects. Remember, adding a picture is sometimes worth 1,000 words. Thanks for watching, and happy Notioning.